You're facing the dreaded PojavLauncher EACCES permission denied error on your Android device, and we're going to fix it right now. This error specifically means PojavLauncher can't access crucial storage areas it needs to function, and we'll walk through 4 essential steps to grant it the access it requires. First, we need to manually grant storage permissions. Go into your device settings, find the PojavLauncher app, and ensure that files and media access is fully enabled, even toggling the Allow Management of All Files option if presented. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems from corrupt temporary files, which brings us to method 2, clearing the app's cache. Navigate back to the app storage settings and select Clear Cache to remove any corrupted data without affecting your installed games or settings. Should the problem persist, the third method involves ensuring a clean installation, so uninstall PojavLauncher completely, then reinstall it from a trusted source, making sure to grant all necessary permissions during the setup process. Finally, if none of the above resolve the EACCES permission denied error, we'll reset PojavLauncher's default settings. Go to the app storage section again and tap Clear Defaults to revert any incorrect configurations. Then relaunch the app to see the error disappear for good.